of U-boats in World War I by Allison. Cornelius Drebbel invented the first U-boat in 1619 in the Netherlands. Its final model had 6 oars and could carry 16 passengers while going 15 feet into the water for 3 hours. Eventually, the U-boats evolved to what they were in World War I. Widow Wedigan sank 3 British cruisers in less than an hour on September 22, 1914. Germans sunk many ships in World War I, including the American ship Lusitania, which killed 1,260 people. U-154 was torpedoed by the British submarine HMS E-35 off the coast of Portugal in May 1918. Germany came close to winning the war with the use of U-boats, which were cheaper and sneakier.
Development and use of airplanes in World War I by Helen. The airplane was invented by the Wright brothers in 1903 when they made the first successful experiment in which an airplane carrying a man off its own power flew naturally and landed gracefully. When the war first started, airplanes were only 13 years old. The early planes were unarmed until both pilots from each side started to share the sky. This means they had to fly in the same airspace. However, soon pilots carried sidearms to try and shoot the other enemy pilot inside his own plane. Once the machine gun was invented, they were immediately attached to the airplane. There were 3 designs when attaching the machine gun to the airplane. One placed the gun that fired in the center of the propeller. One design had metal deflectors on the propeller to ricochet bullets, and finally the machine gun was mounted in the nose and it timed the shot so it wouldn't hit the blades on the propeller. Some airplanes were built with propellers in the back so the pilot could see better. This method, however, had many flaws. Still airplanes were used for recon missions only. Also, some blimps were used, but they were easily shot down and highly flammable. World War I definitely helped develop the use of aviation from the advances of airplane design. Shortly after World War I, the first airplane was used to deliver mail all across the United States.